Alléluia bandeko, Zalingai, Elder Miguel Pedro, Mikhael Massa, Lelo naotea na Lingala. Today I will preach in Lingala language. My name is Mikhael Massa, and this is for the Kongo, is for the Lingala people that used to speak Lingala. Lelo ba ko na ngay na Lingala po na bo comprendre iloko o izole ka na mukilioyo. I said today my brothers I will speak Lingala so that they can understand what is really happening all over the world. Now, bande ko na ngayong ifoboye ba ke Nzambe alingi binomini. Nzambe alingi bino mingi. My dear family, my brothers and sisters, you have to know something, that Tata Nzambe loves you a lot. Bande ko na ngay tuzalina batu lokola Jonathan Chilombo, Mikhael Massa, Mikhael Ya, ba Ruben Bansimba, ba Yaya Chiba Malonga, oyo bazosala musala ya monene pona Kongo, les libération de ya Congo. Brothers and sisters, you have to know that we have brothers like Mikhael Ya, Mikhael Massa, Jonathan Chilombo, Yaya Chiba Malonga. These people are doing a great job for the liberation, of Congo. Bandi ko na ngay biso ifoto sangana. My dear brothers and sisters, we have to unite. Bande ko na ngay tango yang oyo les trois Congo, il faut ekoma moko. My brothers and sisters, this is the time that the three Congos become one again. Bande ko na ngay tatanzambe ang pungu azali na message po na bino na mukoloya lilo. My dear brothers and sisters, tatanzambe Amazulu have a message for you today. Union se fait la force. Unity is power. Soki les trois Congo et Sangani, mokili mobimba pe ekozwa pe. If the three Congos unite, the whole world will receive blessing and peace. Bandeko na diaspora boyo ka message oyo. My dear brothers from the diaspora, please listen to this message. Bandeko boye ba eloko moko ke tatanzambi ya mazulu alingi batu nyonso oyo bazali na libanda ya Afrique balamuka mbangu. My dear brothers, tatanzambi ya mazulu here. What is this? My dear brothers, tatanzambi ya mazulu wants that the people from the diaspora wake up very fast, because it is time. Tatanzambi ya mazulu alingi bandeko balamuka, soki balamuki basangana na batu na bango ya Afrique. Tatanzambi ya mazulu wants that our brothers wake up fast, so if they wake up, they should unite with the people in Africa, with their own brothers in Africa. Yango wana ekomama na buku ke Israel na Juda baokoma batu se moko. That's why it is written in the book that Israelites and Judah, they will become one person. Tatanzambe ya Mazulu a révélé na muninga na ye mwana na ye Mikhael Massa. Tatanzambe ya Mazulu has revealed to his servant Mikhael Massa, to his son. Tatanzambe ya Mazulu alobi, Tatanzambe ya Mazulu say, in na 2021 bato nyonso bakoyeba ke bino bozali bana isolole ba Juif, ba Juda, ba Yaounde, mwana ebeto. Tatanzambe ya Mazulu has revealed to his son Mikhael Massa, in 2021 the whole world will know that you are the children of Judah, that you are the so-called Jews, Yaounde, that you are the children of the house, which means the children, the lost children of the book. Yango wana bofongola mutema na bino. That's why Tatanzambe say, open your hearts. Yango wana bo yikampiko. That's why you have to stand strong in your belief. Okay? Yikampiko, strong. Stay in your belief, strong in your faith. Hold it, you know? Yango wana linga muninga na yo ndenge yomoko omulingaka. That's why love your brother like you used to love yourself. Yango wana prepare mbundu o mutema na yo. That's why prepare your heart. Tatanzambe ya Mazulu alobi ke tango yango yo. Tatanzambe ya Mazulu have said that this is the time. No? Unity faz força. And this is Portuguese. Unity ça fait la force. Unity gives power. Yeah? Okay? And now I go back to English. So easy is Lingala. Yeah? This is the fast message for our brothers and sisters. Unity. Yeah? With one hand, I can't wash my face. You know? That's why Tatanzambe have make everything two. You have 2 feet, 2 hands, you know. This is how it is, you know. 2 eyes, you know. Tatanzambe loves us so much that he say that in 2021 the whole world will receive the message, who we are. Okay, which means many people will be very, very angry about that, because they never believed, they've never been taught that some other people can be chosen. They were lied all over their lives, and but some other people will be like searching for the truth, searching for you, or so that they can be a part of you, or just listening to the words. They will search for the Tatanzambe, and many will not find him. And may Kongo reign. Okay. The message is clear. Yeah. For all my brothers and sisters that have love for Kongo, pray for Congo, pray for Angola, pray for Gabon, pray for all Sub-Saharan, pray for all Africa, but also pray for all the people all over the world, even people that used to be not from us, so that no one can find any bad thing in us, because we are not bad. Jacob is not bad. Jacob loves, and he's made like this. So now, one more time, unity is power. And sometimes we used to stop fighting each other, because there's sometimes things, just watch, just watch. Everything will open itself in his times. There was a time people used to follow Paula Shahul, the apostle. They used to follow him to kill him, and then they brought him often in the front of Romans and Grecians and people that want to kill him, right? And what happened? There was someone. This person said, let these people believe what they believe, because there is so many awakenings. There's so many people that came with different kinds of doctrines, and if the doctrine from them is false, then everything will disappear in a time. But if these people really worship the real Elimo, the real spirit of the Tanzambia Mazulu, then it's better to let them go, because how can people fight the Tanzambia? It's impossible, So we will continue with the Congo message, and I hope from my side that many people will understand the message from Congo, because it will be a blessing for the world. Yeah, this is the fast message that I have brought to you today. Very, very soon, this year, I will show you where the Mount Zion was or is, how people, I will just show really where the Mount Zion is. I will show you photos. I will show you the roads, the mountains around Zion, and where it is. Yeah. And yes, this is one of the things that I will really do, and I will do my best to show you the history of Congo, and then people will have a better understanding why why Africa fall, why our people still today are in bondage. But they will also have a better understanding of our powers, the X gene, how to communicate directly to the Most High, because our people, they had no one that was in the midst between Tatanzambia Mazulu and human. They did not have a pastor. They did not must have called the pastor, hey man, please call me Jesus, and Jesus called the Father. This is impossible. Impossible. And every one of us has dreams, every one of us has visions, every one of us will receive Bénédiction, which means we'll be blessed from the Most High, which means that this awakening is real. It's not just like an awakening, people taking some spears in the hands and dancing around, starting shouting, and then you will find out that this people comes from Somalia or stuff like that. No, this is not an awakening like this. This is a real awakening, and we are really trying to put the two sticks together and bring our people home and show the world, to prove them wrong, but not in the way of flesh, which means we won't take guns. No, we won't go to war with with stones in our hands. No, but we will fight the world with the Mwandan Semi and righteousness, which means, the spirit of Isaiah in us, the real Isaiah, will fight with us, and and the Amaleki as well, and this is how we will, save the world. And there will be no other name coming after the Kongo. The name in all this. People will struggle. People will be like, oh man, I never heard this name, but now I heard it and I saw blessings. I saw Kembo, I saw light, and it makes sense. This is what people will say. It makes sense, It is historical. It is historical, And this is the most hidden historical in the Vatican, Thanks to many brothers, even the brother Masia Kadima, many other brothers that doing this work, that joined the Bantu awakening. I really say thank you to all the people in France, to all the people that speak about the Bantus in Lingala, in Portuguese, in Spanish, because this is Congo is the center. This is like the equator of the world, and no one can run away from this light. No one can put it down no more. It's about to shine, and everywhere in every movie you hear the name of Kinshasa. We have fought in Angola. We have fought in Congo by the diamonds there, where the Baluba are. We were in Zambia. These are the places where the most of the biggest wars in Africa happened, which means the Gentiles know very well, that Congo is the place to be. And prepare to go home. Prepare to come home. Salaman.